Good day, I am Lloyd Ocarino, and today I am going to identify the parts of this portable sewing machine. So let's start at the back side of this portable sewing machine. So I have here an adapter, so we will insert it here. And I have the foot pedal, so we are going to insert it here. So this is the on or off switch, and this is the hand wheel, and this is the bobbin winder spool. On this side we have the speed button. It has a low speed and high speed. Then we have the bobbin spindle here and bobbin holder. This is the tension screw, and this is the thread spindle, and this is the take up lever. Here we have the thread guide, then the thread, the needle, the presser foot, and the presser foot lever. So this is the bobbin compartment, and this is the thread cap, and inside here is the bobbin, and this is the battery compartment. So that's all for the parts of this portable sewing machine. So now we try threading the needle.